In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up recurring payments or PayPal subscription. First, sign in to your www.paypal.com business account. If you do not already have a business account, upgrade your account or create one so you can access the subscription feature. Once you are inside your business account, you will see options like Home, Activity, Pay, Get Paid, and Business Tools. Open Business Tools, look for the Accept Payments tab, hover over Show More, and then click on Subscriptions. When the page opens, click on Get Started. You will now begin setting up your subscription. Enter the subscription name, choose the billing frequency such as monthly or weekly, and enter the amount that will be charged. Continue to the next section and select Create your first subscription product. Now enter the details for the product you want to offer. Add the product name and a short description, then create a product ID using between 5 and 50 characters without spaces. Next, choose the product type. You can select physical goods, digital goods, or service. After that, select the category that matches your product. You will then need to add your product page URL. Copy the link from your website and paste it into the product page URL field. Then add the product image URL. You can use the same website link if needed, or paste a direct image link. After that, select Create a new subscription product and continue to the next page. Now choose the pricing type for the subscription plan. Once selected, enter the plan name in the plan description. You can also choose whether to add a one-time setup fee or a trial period. Next, enter the billing details for the subscription. You can set a trial period for 1 day and then create a monthly charge afterward. You can also decide whether to calculate taxes and whether to enable billing for outstanding payments. Continue to the review page and check the product name, plan name, pricing, trial period, and billing cycle. If everything looks correct, select Turn Plan On. You can also save it as a draft if you want to review it later. Once the plan is active, you will be able to see active subscriptions, subscriber activity, unpaid and paid subscriptions, and an overview of your plans directly inside your PayPal dashboard. That's how to set up recurring payments, or PayPal subscription. Thank you for watching.